8th class student, exercise 3G. First question is under root 16 upon 81. Do the factor 16 factor will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Prime factor will be 2 into 2, 1 pair, 2 into 2 is second pair, upon 83 factor will be write the select 2 into 2 and 3 into 3. After multiply 2 2 ja 4, 3 3 ja 9. Square root of 16 upon 81 is equal to 4 upon 9. First question, solve the factor method. Second question is under root 64 upon 225. This method, numerator and denominator separate. Find the square root by long division method. Numerator square root is 8, 25, pair is 25 and 1 1 ja 1. Double of 1 2 ja 2. 1 digit is hide. After multiply 1 2 5. 15 is square root of 220, 25. Fourth question is under root 625 upon 729. We solve the separate long division method 625 and 729. Make the pair 2 2 ja 4. After minus 2, put the pair, multiply by 2 2 ja 4. 1 digit height, 4 table digit 22. 5 ja right side and multiply by 5. 225 square root of 625 is 25. 729, 2 2 ja 4. After minus 3, put the pair 4. 7 ja 329. Square root of 729. is 27. Fourth question is complete. Fifth question is given the mixed fraction upon 36. After multiply and change into improper fraction. 1 to 1 upon 36 by prime factor method. 11 into 11 factor is 1 to 1. 22 factor is 36 factor is 1. 11 upon 2 into 2 into 3. 11 upon 6 divide by change into mixed 5 1 6 1 6 and 5. First question, fifth question is complete. Sixth question. Sixth question is mixed fraction from 73, 3 to 4 and 4. Multiply by 4, 12, 73, 9, 6, 13. After change into improper fraction, 1, 3, 6, 9, 3, 2, 4. We solve the by long division method separately. First numerator is, denominator is 3 to 4. Put the pair, make the pair 1 1 ja 1, 22 the pair, 2 ja 8 ja, into 8, double 2 4, 3 3 ja 9. After minus 4, put the pair 7 ja 7 7 49 is 4 46. 37 is square root of 13, 69, 18 is denominator. Change into mixed. Question number 6 is complete. 7 question is under root 3 whole 33 upon 289. After multiply by 3, change into improper fraction. 289 into 3, 7 ja 6 and 8, plus 33, 0 0 is 9. 9 and Find the square root by long division method. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9. Put the pair not read by table. 2 8 9. Make the pair 1 1 ja 1. After minus 189 is 2 1 ja 2. 17 7 189. 30 upon 17. 1 whole 13 upon 17. Change into mixed fraction. Question number 8 is under root. Given the under root, numerator and denominator, write the one root divide by 5. After divide 16, 81. So now after simplify under root 16 upon 81, make the first question 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Second pair 3 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 and 3 into 3. 2 2 ja 4, 3 3 ja 9. Question number 8 is complete. Question number 9 is question number 10. 10 is equal to under root 98 multiply under root 162. Write the 1 square root 98 into 162. Do the factor, prime factor. 7, 2 into 7 into 7 factor by 98, and 2 into 3 into 3, 3 into 3 will be pair 3, 7 and 2. 2 into 3 into 3 into 7, 126 is square root of 98 into 162. Question number 9 is 11 83 and 223. Write the 1 square root 83 upon 223. Divide by 7. 169 289. Now after simplify 169 289. Factor will be 169 is 13 into 13, and 289 factor is 17 into 17. Make the pair 13 upon 17 will be square root of question number 9 given. Thank you.